Hello and welcome back. In our last video, we drilled a couple holes in the bottom of this, a coffee mug, to make a planter. And as promised, we're going to try to drill holes in glass. So this is a ripe pomegranate container for a candle. We're going to attempt to drill 3 holes in the bottom of this glass and see what happens. Probably pretty likely this thing's going to shatter. We're going to record in slow-mo so we can watch that. If this does not shatter, I'm going to find some other glass and break in slow-mo because I want to see what it looks like. What we're going to be using is, I have an air drill because I'm at work, that's what I have. I have a 1/4 inch diamond tip drill bit I got from the local hardware store. It's a DeWalt 1/4 inch diamond drill bit. I'm sure other manufacturers make something very similar to it, if not the same. Alright. Let me switch our camera into slow mode here, and we're going to attempt to start this. We're going to put some water on this thing. We're going to start at a 45 to scratch in and then straighten it out. Okay, we're set up in our slow motion setup here. It's 240 frames per second at 1080p. So we're going to record this. Stopwatch here. Again, we're going to do a triangle setup for our holes with this guy. Safety glasses, guys. This could go sideways. As always with this thing, water. That's its lubrication. It's kind of loud and annoying, so we're going to put some earmuffs on. Let's see what happens. Haha! Here we go, almost 5 minutes into it, guys. I have a hole inside of here. Oop, oop, a piece of glass is still in it. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of cool looking, guys. Let's see. Check this out. Oh, no. Come here, little piece of glass. Oh, Jesus. So, there's your piece of glass. Kind of neat looking. We have a hole in the bottom there. It only took 5 minutes to drill, but it didn't break. Okay, there's hole number 2. That only took like 2 minutes. I was putting pressure on the drill bit that time. I was pushing it down in there with a firm amount of pressure. It's at your own risk here, guys, and how you want to do it. Yeah, just 5 minutes to drill a hole was getting ridiculous. So there's 2 holes in this thing. I'm going to drill a 3rd one since that one didn't take too long. We'll start our timer. A bit of water, a little bit of pressure on it, and let's have at it. Alright, about 2.5 minutes for that one. We'll clean this up and get some plants planted in here, and I just got word that we'll have a driver's window for my car that we can smash later in slow-mo, so stay tuned.